you alright? You don't look like you're doing so well. Let me just tickle. It's looking like a little bit of that negative energy got a little backed up there. You haven't been releasing it, huh? Okay. Yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and get rid of some of that for you just to make sure that you get through the rest of this week feeling nice, okay? So we're just gonna okay, let me see. I think I need to really observe this for you, so we're just gonna tickle. I think there's still a bit more in there. I think I want to brush away some of this like muddled energy. Is kind of like hiding what's really going on inside. So I think once I brush that away, we'll be able to uncover a little bit more. Okay, so we're just gonna brush, 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 now, let me just tickle. Okay. Yeah, so it's looking like you haven't been getting much sleep lately. Is that correct? That's correct. Why do you think you haven't been sleeping? Okay. So let me see if I can get rid of that for you. I'm just gonna Okay. We're just gonna go through some of that hidden energy. It's like once I pull a little bit out, then we end up with this extra cloud on top, and you have to get rid of that, go back in, get rid of that, go back in. So I'm just gonna go ahead and see if I could just scratch down by my nail. Scratch. Scratch. Okay. Now it's looking like right here, if I get really close, it seems like you haven't been eating the best, huh? Had commitments to what you wanted to eat and things just haven't been going the way you expected. Or you've been trying to make a change in your diet and for some reason you keep getting influenced to go back to your old choices. Or maybe there's just something about what you've been eating that you just haven't been liking, huh? It hasn't been as satisfying. That's what it looks like. Yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and just okay, so now let me just take a look. Okay. Looks like we got all of that out. Now, it looks like you don't really want to study, huh? Not really feeling it. Don't really want to study or get up for work tomorrow. I can understand that. I can definitely understand that, okay? Yeah, so we already have a solution for that. Just gonna too much lip gloss. Okay. Alright, so we're just gonna go ahead and see if I can just brush away some of that cloudiness to get to the next layer. Okay. Just a little bit more. Almost there. Okay. Now let me just okay. Oh, this is a big one. You just haven't really been feeling like yourself lately. Whether it's confidence, maybe, or you just haven't been able to embody the type of person that you want to be, wear what you want to wear. You've been feeling a little different lately, like you're missing out with your friends. I get that. Just want you to know that whenever you're feeling a little down and out, you can always count on a nice little plucking to make you feel just a little bit better, okay? Alright, so we're just gonna be really meticulous with this one. Okay, okay, now let me see. Let me just oh yeah, that is much better. That is so much better. I think with this last little bit of stagnant energy that I'm feeling, that was my wrist. I think with this last little bit of stagnant energy that we have, I'm just going to go ahead and just scoop it out. 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 Scoop, scoop, scoop. Scoop, scoop, scoop. Scoop, scoop, scoop. Scoop, scoop, scoop. Scoop, scoop, scoop it out. Scoop, scoop, scoop it out. Scoop, scoop, scoop it out. Scoop, scoop, scoop. Scoop, scoop, scoop. Scoop, 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 scoop it out. You guys have got to let me know if the S's are too much. I don't know what it is. My S's, they whistle a bit. I can't stop it. I'm sorry. But yes, I think you look a lot better now. Your energy just feels so much lighter. You feel amazing. I hope you really feel amazing on the inside as well. And I hope you enjoy your night. Bye-bye. I might look at that whole thing out because why is my nose doing